Hello and good day to all my dear students. In last video we have started our chapter number 9 arithmetic progression, in which we have studied what is sequence, series and then arithmetic progression or AP, and we have also learned formulas, how to find the term formula, nth term formula, and how to find D, that is common difference. Now let us continue with our exercise 9a question number 4. What is the 25th term of the AP? Minus 5, minus 5 by 2, 0, 5 by 2 and so on. This is our AP. Now here we are given AP, so we can write A, that is our first term. In the previous video I explained you that the first term is denoted by small a and the common difference is denoted by small d. So here the first term is minus 5 and d, that common difference, how do we find out? That is the consequent terms are given here. So the second term minus the first term, or you can say third term minus the second term, you will get the same. So here I take second term minus 5 by 2 minus first term minus 5. So by subtraction, minus 5 by 2 minus minus plus 5, and taking LCM, I get minus 5 plus 10 by 2, and that is 5 by 2. So my common difference here for this AP is 5 by 2. Now they asked to find out the 25th term of the AP. So students, in the previous video we have already learned a formula to find Tn, like nth term. So that formula is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. So here 25th term I want to find. So n minus 1. Instead of n minus 1 we can write 24, because n is 25. So 25 minus 1 is 24. So T25 is equal to a plus 24d. Now we place the values of a and d, that is first term and the common difference. The value of first term a is equal to minus 5 plus 24 multiplying the difference, common difference is 5 by 2. So by cancellation we get 12. So here minus 5 plus 12 is a 60. 60 minus 5 is 55. So here they asked to get our 25th term of the AP, and we found T25. This is the notation you can make, or either in other publication textbook maybe it is A25 given for the notation of 25th term. So any of the T25 or A25 you can write for the notation of your 25th term is equal to 55 here. Now let us take the next question. Same question number 4. I took third one, that is find the 10th term of the AP minus 0.1, minus 0.2, minus 0.3 and so on. So here in this AP, first of all, first term A is equal to minus 0.1. Then common difference D is equal to second term minus first term. Always students, this you have to now go through, you should understand this very clearly, that D is the common difference, is the difference between the consequent terms. So that is second minus first. So minus 0.2 minus minus 0.1. So that is the minus 0.2 minus minus plus 0.1. So difference is equal to minus 0.1 we found. Now we place our formula for T10, means 10th term, that is from the Tn formula. Tn formula is a plus n minus 1 d. But here n value is 10. So T10 is equal to a plus n minus 1, means 10 minus 1 is 9d. Now placing the value of A is minus 0.1 plus 9 and D is also minus 0.1. So taking addition by multiply first 9 into minus 0.1, that is minus 0.9, and then add minus 0.1 and minus 0.9. So I get minus 1. This is our 10th term of the AP. Now let us continue with the next question. Question number 5. If k, 2k minus 1 and 2k plus 1 are 3 consecutive terms of an AP, find value of k. So here you are given 3 terms. They are the consecutive terms of an AP, it is given. So we can write first term A is equal to k. Then we can also find the difference, common difference D is equal to second term minus the first term, that is 2k minus 1 minus k. So by that we get D is equal to k minus 1. Now students, there is we find the difference between third term and second term also. So here D is equal to third term is 2k plus 1 minus second term is 2k minus 1 is equal to 2k plus 1 minus 2k plus 1. So here plus 2k minus 2k get cancelled, then 1 plus 1 become 2. So common difference from the second and third term I get 2, and from the first and second term I get k minus 1. But as you know that it is the arithmetic progression AP, so the common difference must be same in all. For that we will compare now the values of D we found differently. So now comparing values of D. The first value we found from first and second term is k minus 1, and the second value we found from second and third term is 2. So by comparing them, there is a linear equation, k minus 1 is equal to 2. So k is equal to 2 plus 1. Therefore k is equal to 3. And here they ask to find the value of k. So which is, we get here value k is equal to 3. Now let's see the next question, 6. What is the common difference of the AP? The AP is given 1 upon 3q, 1 minus 6q upon 3q, 1 minus 12q upon 3q. So this is our AP they have given. Now we want to find the common difference. Again students, common difference whenever you want to find, it means second term minus the first term, or you can say the third term minus the second term. So here I took second term minus first term, that is D. 1 minus 6q upon 3q minus 1 by 3q. So you can see 1 minus 6q upon 3q minus 1 by 3q here. Now the denominators are similar, 3q, 3q. So we can just subtract the numerators as 1 minus 6q minus 1 upon 3q. So plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. So we left with minus 6q upon 3q, and by cancelling q and 3 as minus 2s are 3 minus 2s are 6. So we left with our answer, common difference D is equal to minus 2. So this way students, any of the AP common difference you can find by subtracting the consecutive terms. Now let's see next question. Question number 8 I am taking now. Which term of the AP 3, 10, 17 and so on will be 84 more than its 13th term? Here AP is given, so we write first term A is equal to 3. Then we find common difference D is equal to second term minus first term, that is 10 minus 3. So D is equal to 7. Now what they asked to find that which term of the AP will be 84 more than its 13th term. Means we will write first Tn. We don't know which term it is, so we will write nth term is equal to T13 means 13 term plus 84, which is given in the question as a relation of the nth term. That suppose our term be nth term. So Tn is equal to T13 plus 84. Now T13 means A plus 12D. Term 13 is A plus n minus 1, that is 13 minus 1, 12D plus 84. Now as we know A value and D value, substitute A value 3 plus 12, D value is 7 plus 84, and by calculation 3 plus 12 sevens are 84 plus 84, the total value, that nth term we found, term nth will be 171. This is our nth term. But what they ask for? They ask for that which term of the AP will be 171. Means here we want to find term n, value of n. So here I place the formula here. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. So Tn we found 171, which I placed in the formula, is equal to A value is 3 plus n minus 1 into D value is 7. So place all the values which we found earlier. So 171 minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. Now 171 minus 3 is equal to 168, is equal to n minus 1 into 7. To get n minus 1 value, we have to divide 168 with 7. So here we divide 168 upon 7 is equal to n minus 1. And 7 24s are 168. So 24 is equal to n minus 1. So to get our n value, we take 24 plus 1. And as you know, 24 plus 1 is 25. So our nth term, which term means nth term is 25. So here we get n is equal to 25. So again read the question what they ask for, which term of the AP. So here 25th term of the AP will be 84 more than its 13th term. And here we completed our solution number 8. Now let's see question number 9. Question number 9 is find the AP if 6th term of the AP is 19 and the 16th term is 15 more than 11th term. Here first line you are given 6th term of an AP is 19. So I have written here T6 is equal to 19. Now read more, the 16th term, that means T16 is 15 more than 11th term, means T11 plus 15. So this is kind of the equation you have to form here. First value is T6 is equal to 19 and second T16 is equal to T11 plus 15. Now as we know Tn formula, we write here T16 as A plus 15D is equal to T11 formula is A plus 10D plus 15. Now you can see from both the side we cancelled AA. So here we left with on the left side 15D and right side 10D, which we are taking on the left side, so it become minus 10D is equal to 15. Now 15D minus 10D is 5D is equal to 15. So D value we can find like this. So next you can see D value is equal to 15 upon 5 and by cancellation we get D value is equal to 3. Now one first value in the question, it is given T6 is equal to 19. So we place here formula for T6 from the Tn formula, that is A plus 5D is equal to 19. Now we have all the values, means we have D value here, so we can find out A from it. So here I substitute D value in this formula. A plus 5 into 3 is equal to 19. So we get a plus 15 is equal to 19. So a is equal to 19 minus 15. We get a is equal to 4. A means the first term of the AP. Here in the question we need to find the AP. So students, once we found first term of an AP and the common difference of an AP, it is very easy for us to write our AP. So here first term is equal to 4 and common difference D is equal to 3. So we can write our AP. First term 4, then add 3 to it, we get 7, then again add 3 to it, we get 10, and add 3 to it, we get 13, and so on. So this is our AP which they asked for in the question number 9. Now we see question number 10. The sum of the second and seventh terms of an AP is 3030. If its 15th term is 1 less than twice its 8th term, find the AP. Now from the first line, sum of the second term means T2 and 7th term means T7. We have to take sum of these two means T2 plus T7 is 30. So is equal to 30. This is the equation we found here, first equation. Now read more. If its 15th term means T15 is means is equal to 1 less means minus 1. Then twice its 8th term means 2T8 minus 1. So this is the second equation we found. Now we want to find the AP. Students, you have to keep these things in your mind that whenever you want to find AP, you need to find first term and the common difference. So from the first equation, I will write T2, that is term 2. Formula is A plus D plus T7. T7 is means from the Tn formula A plus n minus 1D. So A plus 6D, 1 less than the value like 7. So here we write A plus 6D is equal to 30. Now you can see if we add the like terms A and A, we get 2A, and 6D and D we get 7D. So you can see students, A plus A 2A plus 6D plus D 7D is equal to 30, which is our equation number 3. Now the second formula or second equation we have in the question, from that left side it is T15. So T15 means A plus 14D is equal to, on the right side 2, then T8. T8 means A plus 7D in the whole bracket. Why? Because 2 is multiplied with T8 minus 1. Now on the left side it is A plus 14D, and on the right side by multiplying 2 in the bracket we get 2A plus 14D minus 1. Now from both the side of the equation 14D get cancelled, and we left with A on the left side, and right side we have 2A. So that 2A we take on the left side as minus 2A is equal to minus 1. So A minus 2A we get minus A is equal to minus 1. So from both the side if we remove the negative sign, we get A is equal to 1. So here we found our first term A as 1. Now what we have to do, we have to find our D term means common difference. For the common difference we will substitute value of A in equation number 3. So our equation number 3 is 2A plus 7D is equal to 30. Now in this formula or in this equation we will put A value 1. So 2 into 1 plus 7D is equal to 30. 7D on the left side is equal to 30 minus 2. From the left side 2 we are taking on the right side, so sign changes. So 7D is equal to 30 minus 2, 28. And D value is, by dividing 28 by 7, we found D value 4. So likewise students, any of the question, if you find first term and common difference, then you can write AP. So last we have to write our AP from it. So first term is 1, so 1, then add 1, then add 4 to 1, we get 1 plus 4 5, plus 4 9, plus 4 13, plus 4 17, and so on. This way up to 3 or 4 terms, if you write your AP and then so on or dot dot dot, you can put. So here today we have completed exercise 9A up to question number 10. So whichever questions I left, you have to solve by yourself using your formulas and according your A, D and TN conceptions. Thank you.